Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number here to the dealership is 352-694-1234. And when you arrive, you're going to see this pretty flag, that patriotic horse, and that green metal roof, and you know you're at Prestige. I want to take a quick moment to highlight another fresh arrival. This is a 2016. It's a Dodge Durango. It has the upgraded limited package, low miles, a clean CARFAX, 10 service records. There's probably 90-95% tread left on those Goodyear Wranglers. Has factory navigation, all the power equipment that you expect in a limited edition product. Smoke-free cabin. It's nice chrome wheels. Leather. Third row seating. Rear air. Got stopped a little extra with that nice song that's playing. But here we have a quick 90-second highlight of a 2016 Dodge Durango. Limited, navigation, power seats, and all the goodies. Steering wheel controls. And we love trade-ins at Prestige. I think when I looked at Kelley Blue Book, it said $26,700 is a good price, but I think $23,700 is a little bit better. We buy nice cars, but not to keep. We have some great national lenders, some fantastic local credit unions, and we even have Chris Credit for new and rebuilding credit scores. So just taking a quick minute here to show you this one. And once again, the phone number here at the dealership is 694-1234. This is Chris at Prestige. We'll see you at the store.